In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and access specific newspaper, magazine, or scholarly journals through the ELAC Library. Starting at elac.edu, click on the library link at the top, or type in elac.edu/library into your browser. Once you're here at the library homepage, scroll down a bit until you see the OneSearch area. Under the OneSearch box, look for Advanced Search and click on that. Here in the Advanced Search for OneSearch, click on the Find Journals tab above the search criteria. You'll notice your search changes to say Find Journals. Keep in mind, journal refers to anything published periodically, so that will include newspapers, magazines, and of course scholarly journals. You can type the title of the magazine, journal, or newspaper here in the search, or you're welcome to browse our holdings using this left column navigator. Let's say, for example, you want to see if and how we have access to the Los Angeles Times. You can type in the title, hit the magnifying glass to do a search, and you'll see the LA Times comes up first as a newspaper. Right below the title, you'll also see links. When you see the words available at and a library location, that means you have access to this periodical in print. And when you see the link available online, that means you have access to this periodical online in a database as well. So click on the heading to get more information. You'll notice a pop-up box. And for the online version of the Los Angeles Times, you're going to look in this View Online section. This will list all of the databases that have access to this periodical. When you're looking at a periodical that has multiple database access points, you do want to pay attention to the holding dates. So underneath the name of the database, it will also say the holdings. So for example, Nexus Uni, you have access to the most recent 6 months of this periodical. But for example, here in Global News Stream, this link will take you to issues published from 1985 to 1996. And if you scroll down, you'll see we also have more historical holdings. So for LA Times, in this link we have access from when it started in 1886 through 1922, so on and so forth. So just keep an eye on the date when you're clicking on a link for a periodical. Let's have a look at the second link as an example. If you're off campus, you will be prompted to log in, so follow those login instructions, and then the database will load. So you can search within the LA Times by using a keyword search here. Just note the dates of coverage that you'll be searching. Or if you scroll down, you can actually select a specific date and view a specific issue if you have a specific date you want to see. And now you can click on each article within this specific issue to read the articles that way. Let's go back and try another search. Let's say you want to see all journals that we have that have the word psychology somewhere in the title. You can type in a keyword, hit search, and you're going to now see a lot of different journals and resources with the word psychology highlighted. Now note in this search, a lot of these results have the purple peer-reviewed icon. This is simply a note that the resource you're looking at is a peer-reviewed or scholarly journal. So you'll also notice a lot of these say available online, and many do not say available at, and that's because most of our scholarly journals are only available online. So we can click on the title to get more information again. And when you scroll down, in many peer-reviewed journals, there actually is a search for articles within this journal feature right here in OneSearch. So if you have a specific topic you want to search, you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, if you scroll down to the View Online section, you can see the 3 databases that have access to this specific journal. Again, note the dates of coverage. For example, in these 2 EBSCO databases, we do not have the most recent 1 year available. So something to watch out for if you're doing very recent research. You might have to use this first link instead. So let's try this out. I'll click on this Wiley database. Again, if you're off campus, you'll be prompted to log in before this page loads. And now here in this database, you can browse through using this left column to look at a specific issue, or you can click on an actual issue and it will take you to more information about that specific issue. And if you scroll down, now you can see all of the different articles published within that specific journal issue. So that's it. If you have any questions or have trouble navigating the Find Journals feature of our OneSearch, you can use the Ask Us 24/7 feature. Either make an appointment, or if someone's online, you can do a chat and get help that way.